Welcome to Vskills YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about the 10 best courses and certification to start your career in market research. Before we begin, first we will discuss what is market research, and then, roles and responsibilities of a market research analyst. So, let's understand, what is market research? Market research enables us to assess the key trends to anticipate how the market might change. It is an essential step in the identification of new market segments, development of new products, and selection of target market. Companies hire market research analysts to monitor the marketing trends and devise suitable strategies. Some of the roles and responsibilities of a market research analyst are: monitor sales trends, forecast marketing trends, measure the effectiveness of marketing strategies, devise methods for collecting data, conduct surveys and questionnaires. So, let's get started with the best courses and certifications. First is Certified Market Research Analyst by Vskills. Vskills is India's largest certification body. It provides government certification and is valid for a lifetime. This course includes 18 learning hours. This certification assesses your knowledge as per the organization's need for market research. It tests you on several fronts including marketing research fundamentals, research design and many more. The concepts covered in this course are: marketing research process, scientific method and research design, research and data objectives, research communication, sampling and hypothesis and more. Second, Market Research Specialization by Coursera. This specialization is specially designed for candidates with no previous experience in marketing research. Hence, it provides a comprehensive marketing research approach that will help you find and communicate the story and the data. The duration of the course is 4 months. There are 4 courses in this specialization. First, Research Proposal. Initiating research. Second, Qualitative research. Third, Quantitative research. And last, Research Report, delivering insights. Third is Marketing research. Support your marketing decisions by Udemy. This is a practical step-by-step guide to marketing research. It provides a well-defined structure for those who wish to undertake a research project or conduct research on the behalf of a company. This course includes 5.5 learning hours and full lifetime access. The concepts covered in this course are: marketing research process, questionnaires and research methodologies, data analysis, presenting findings, digital marketing research, and more. Fourth is Quantitative Marketing Research by EDX. This course introduces its participants to the concept of value and willingness to pay as well as the way to use auctions to estimate this. It also covers conjoint analysis and cluster analysis. The duration of the course is 5 weeks. The concepts covered in this course are: value and willingness to pay, indirect measurements of value, segmentation, targeting, and positioning, ethics of marketing research, and more. Fifth is Principles of Market Research by the University of Georgia. This program is kept up to date to reflect the new methods in the marketing research industry. It provides an engaging learning experience via interactive activities and continuous feedback so that you can gauge your progress throughout the training. The concepts covered in this course are: research process, market research design, data identification, qualitative market research, quantitative data collection methods, and more. Sixth is Market Research Foundations by LinkedIn Learning. In this course, you will learn how to clarify your research goals, how to sell your company on research, how to find the best participants, and how to present your data in succinct, meaningful formats like customer personas and journey maps. The duration of the course is 54 minutes. The concepts covered in this course are: qualitative research, quantitative research, research design, creating your marketing research plan, communicating your research, your deliverables, and more. Seventh is Marketing Research and Analysis by Swayam. This course provides an understanding of various research quantitative and qualitative tools, required in understanding the customer and segmenting the market. The duration of the course is 8 weeks. The concepts covered in this course are: Introduction to Marketing Research, Qualitative Research, Descriptive Research, Measurement and Scaling, Hypothesis Development, Correlation and Regression, and more. Eighth is Certified Market Research Analyst by International Institute of Market Research and Analytics. This certification program focuses on providing an understanding of the role of market research in society and business, and creating an awareness of the steps involved in designing and planning effective research. The concepts covered in this course are: Basics of Market Research, Tools of Market Research, Conducting Market Research, Market Research Concepts, and more. Ninth is Modern Marketing Research by Experfy. The motive of this course is to help you understand the role of market and marketing research. The duration of the course is 1 hour 56 minutes. The concepts covered in this course are: Timeless Principles, Matching Data to Problems and Decisions, Reliability and Validity in Different Types of Data, New Opportunities for Marketing Researchers, and more. 10th, Marketing Analytics by eCornell. This 3-month course covers a variety of topics from customer preference measurement, market response models and more. There are no prerequisites for this program, but you'll require some understanding of foundational statistics and Excel analysis before you start your first course. The concepts covered in this course are: Measuring customer preferences, Analyzing segmentation and targeting, Using data for positioning brands, Market response modeling, and more. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.